Welcome to our channel where we help you understand the complex world of finance. Today, we will be discussing the role of interest rates in the stock market. Interest rates can have a significant impact on the stock market, and it's essential to understand how they work. In this video, we will discuss how interest rates affect the stock market and what you should consider as an investor. Impact on borrowing. Interest rates can impact borrowing costs, and this can have a direct impact on the stock market. When interest rates are low, borrowing costs are low, and companies can borrow money at a lower cost. This can lead to increased investment, which can result in higher stock prices. Impact on consumer spending. Interest rates also impact consumer spending. When interest rates are low, consumers are more likely to spend money, and this can lead to increased economic activity. This can also result in higher stock prices. Impact on inflation. Interest rates can impact inflation, which can also impact the stock market. When interest rates are low, it can lead to increased inflation, which can reduce the value of a currency. This can result in lower stock prices. Impact on bond yields. Interest rates also impact bond yields, which can have a direct impact on the stock market. When interest rates are low, bond yields are also low, which can make stocks more attractive to investors. This can result in higher stock prices. Impact on investor sentiment. Finally, interest rates can impact investor sentiment. When interest rates are low, investors may become more optimistic about the economy, and this can lead to increased buying activity in the stock market. So, that's how interest rates can impact the stock market. As an investor, it's essential to understand how interest rates work and how they can impact your investments. Remember that interest rates are just one of the many factors that can impact the stock market, and it's important to consider all the factors before making investment decisions. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos like this. Thanks for watching.